Hello. So in this case, we are testing AWS Robomaker. So we'll start with this sample application provided by AWS. So I'll just go briefly through this one. So I'll go through try sample application. Hello world. Okay. So now to initialize this application, it will take some time, maybe near around 1 to 2 minutes. Just minimize. Oh, it has become fast. Thank God. Well, in this AWS platform, it is very surprising. Sometimes, okay, so there is a problem. What is a problem? Let's take. And also one of our issue with AWS is that status is not updated automatically. We have to refresh this again and again to check what is the status actually. Okay, so we will start Robomaker. So these are my some of the previous tests. Okay, so I will start with application, simple application, launch. Now this wants to take some time, but it should initiate. Okay, so finally we are having something that is about to be ready. Status preparing. So, okay, so this will create gazebo, RPs, terminal, and RQT plot. Like I said, like we have to keep it on refreshing so it doesn't show it. Preparing. Okay, so finally it is running and we can go inside this one. In a sample application, we can connect to Gazebo. Okay, so it is opening in was false. So okay, so at present it is rotating at some speed, and we can check by connecting to a terminal. So basically if we see, so what are the ROS list? So this one is basically related to the velocity command. So I can check the value from here. See velocity. So yeah, then is alongside axis 0.1. Okay, so we can close this one and this one as well, and we will proceed to the rest of the steps. So okay, so this one we have checked, and after that we are coming to set an environment. So in this case we are going to set up the development environment, create environment, hello world. Yes, like last time we checked, we don't need m4.large. We can go with the single CPU and maybe with 4 GB RAM. Uh, okay, so I will go with this one, T3.medium, and this is a VPC and subnet by default attached to the EC2 instance. Basically, I guess it creates a EC2 instance at background. So maybe you can check from here. EC2. So basically there is a EC2 instance that has been created background to work on Cloud9 IDE. Is EC2 instance ready? Okay, so I'm recording, fine. Running. Okay, so it is ready and we can proceed with step 3. Open the environment and we have to go to resources, download, hello world. Okay. Oh, super fast. Okay. Succeeded. Now we have to search for a file. Robot source, hello world, nodes, rotate.py. So in this, as we see, it is importing this geometry message, and yeah, it is publishing to command velocity with the queue size 1, and it initiated this structure, and the rate is 10 hertz. So basically, it will throw 10 values in 1 second. And in this, we see like there is angular value, angular velocity that is defined. We will change it to some funny number, and maybe we can include some more things. Twist, dot, linear. Dot linear is there. Long x-axis. Maybe 0.2. Okay. So it is publishing the structure value and then logging this value and then making it to sleep. So in this main function, we are initiating the node. So the node name is rotate, and that we can check like from there. So yeah, so it is initiating the class and then calling the function. So yes, so the function will run till we are not going to shut it down. Okay, so that's it. We can go and build. So run build hello world robot. Okay, so we have to build the simulation as well. So build simulation, build hello world robot application, then we proceed to step 4. Step 4 is basically about bundling this robot application and simulation application dependencies. Okay, so we will bundle this one. Okay, finished. Bundle robot. Done. Didn't realize this one. Okay, so it is bit fast now. I think there are few users now at this point, at least in Europe region. Okay, building all the dependencies, bundling up. Okay, 2 minutes. So this is almost half an hour video. So anyway, only after bundle I have to connect with this one. Installing dependencies. Please create the bundle. Now I think it will create a bundle. Simulation workspace. Oh, finally it has created a bundle. Thank God. Thank God. Now I can connect and finish it. Oops. Okay, so this is a point against AWS Robomaker. Like, I don't know why we have to create a bundle 3 or 4 times to actually get it. Otherwise, it should throw some error, right? Like, I don't see error at any point of time. This is related to, okay. So anyway, I'm not going to do anything at this point. Only after it finishes, then it will be available. $423 MB. What all it has done? Active init. Anyway, so finished. Now I have to go to this one, restart this one, then it will be available over there. This has to come up. So shall we check? Restarted. Okay, here it is still showing it is restarting. Okay, here also it is. Please restart. Okay, so finally running. Okay, so now we are launching simulation. Okay, so just in case if you're not getting from here, then go to switch simulation, and now I can just go with this one bundles. Okay, so these all are the unspoken words by AWS. This has to be captured in some video. Okay, so maybe I'll make a separate video related to the issues. So we've restarted with new bundles, and correct, it is restarting. Just a minute. I think AWS is also tired. Okay, now it is going to restart. I don't know whether I'm tired or AWS is tired. There was a problem restarting your invalid job ARN. Invalid job ARN. Why invalid job ARN? Here it is showing it is restarting, and here it is showing invalid job ARN. Okay, so it is confirmed I'm not tired. AWS has gone a bit, I think, out of utilization. With this kind of issues, it is very hard to rely on this for releasing our services. Okay, so here it is showing it is successfully restarted, running. So now I can finally go here, connect with Gazebo, and we can check some additional values by opening the terminal, simulation. But why it is not moving in next direction? Was not placed. So we can see rotate node is there active. Ross topic is well, I should not have Ross values from here. Equal CMD velocity. Okay, new values are not effective. So I'm have to again go with the process. So now my video will go for 1 hour. Build simulation. I think at this point I need not to create a bundle for simulation, but I cannot take a risk. Restart with new bundle. Running. Okay. The code was saved. Okay. Okay. It has to go for restarting. Please. Okay. Finally restarting. top one I can close. Okay, it is simulation status and pane is dead, so we can close this one. Canceling jobs, simulation, fine. Okay, something. Run. So this locked on little. Okay, but anyway, it is showing some progress, so we won't stop. Okay, please come to a running state with the updated values. I think this video contains all the possible errors that AWS can throw for initializing or for testing the basic Hello World application. Okay, it is running. So here also it is updated. Now I should see some changes here. Okay, so we can see it is going in a linear direction and rotating as well. So basically, actually at this point, no need to go through this one, but just for see well, yes, basically it will be near. Okay, so it will be rotating in a circle, bigger circle. Fine, so we can just close this, and finally we can go for the CloudWatch and see the analysis. Since my ID is on, but okay, I will close the ID and so yeah, it shows the CPU utilization. So for the EC2 instance, whatever we have created, it is still under control. So maybe we can go with a single CPU. Okay, so we can watch complete CloudWatch logs. So in this, it is shown it is created AWS Lambda function. Okay, AWS Lambda function, AWS Robomaker simulation job. So okay, so here it is basically showing the log events, incoming bytes from the various resources. Okay. So I'm just trying to understand why it is created a Lambda function. Okay, code size is this much. Will this allow me to open the Lambda function? Index handler. Okay, so it won't allow me. I have to download and check it. Anyway, so this is my video related to Robomaker. I hope this video contains all the errors.